Hello viewers, welcome to Remedies and Cures. In this video we are going to share how to make the miracle fat burning drink that will help you lose weight and flatten your belly in 1 week. All your questions related to this topic will be answered in this video. Before watching this, please like this video and subscribe this channel to get more updates. Thanks. Now we will move back to our topic. The miracle fat burning drink that will help you lose weight and flatten your belly in 1 week. Research has shown that drinking tea may enhance weight loss and help reduce belly fat. But have you ever tried apple and ginger tea? This aromatic and calming drink can be very beneficial for you, especially if you are trying to shed those extra pounds quickly and naturally. Many people claim that consuming this miracle drink on an empty stomach every morning can speed up weight loss and help you get rid of that stubborn belly fat in just 1 week. How to make and use apple and ginger drink for weight loss. To make this fat-burning drink, you would need the following ingredients. 2 large apples, you can use any variety you like. 1 large piece of ginger. 4 to 5 cups of water. Honey to enhance the taste, optional. Procedure. Cut the apples into small pieces. Peel the ginger and cut it into small pieces. Place all the ingredients, except honey, into a pot and boil it for about 10 minutes. Turn the heat off and allow the mixture to simmer for a few minutes. Now, pour all the ingredients into the blender and blend it properly until smooth. Your apple ginger fat cutting drink is now ready to be consumed. Apple and ginger fat burning drink for weight loss. How it works. Apple and ginger drink is one such healthy recipe that can improve your overall health. Both have been found to support weight loss. For instance, apples are low in calories but high in fiber, which means they are very filling. Studies indicate that apples may aid weight loss. Also, some studies have linked apple juice to reductions in body fat. Ginger is extensively used as a food and a medicine around the world. The plant is rich in natural compounds that can offer many health benefits, including improving weight loss and preventing/healing inflammation. Many dieters also use ginger water as it is believed to speed up the weight loss process when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. For instance, one study found that ginger suppressed obesity in rats on high-fat diets. This indicates that adding this root packed full of antioxidants may help in losing weight. Benefits. Some of the health benefits of apple and ginger tea include its ability to improve digestion, boost immunity, ease inflammation, regulate blood sugar, remove toxins from the body, etc. This aromatic drink is actually a perfect addition to your diet, especially when trying to slim down, as it can help enhance weight loss and promote good health. Key highlights. Apple and ginger tea can be very beneficial for weight loss. Apple and ginger drink is one such healthy recipe that can improve your overall health. Here's how to make and use this fat-burning drink to help you shed those extra kilos fast. Do try this out and share your feedback in the comments below. Hope this video is helpful for you. You can also suggest what should be the next video topic. Like and subscribe this channel for getting more informative videos. Bye till next video.